Many things that once required human brain power can now be handled by artificial intelligence. AI's ability to swiftly analyze complex data lets it identify individuals in a crowd, or precisely predict traffic flows to alleviate congestion. Now, a new use has been found for AI in Japan in the world of manga and anime. A service called Sai Chan uses AI to create unique illustrations of faces. It works like this. Choose the face you like best from the first selection presented. The AI analyzes your preference and instantly creates 14 similar images. Manually drawing a human character takes us at least 2 weeks and up to a month. The AI gets the same kinds of results in just 0.03 seconds. The AI learns your preferences from your selections, getting more accurate each time. Millions of variations are possible. This game production company uses Sai Chan to develop characters for their games. Sai Chan has created over 200 character icons for us so far. Japan's most famous cartoonist laid down his pens decades ago, but a pioneering AI project has brought his spirit back to life. Tezuka Osamu, known as the god of manga, left behind over 700 works. His constant theme was the dignity of life amid the dangers of excessive reliance on advanced science and technology. What kind of work would Tezuka create if he were still alive today? A solid-state memory manufacturer decided their big data techniques could answer that question. We wondered if our technology could also contribute to creating manga, that essentially Japanese art form. As an expert in AI, Professor Kurihara Satoshi is a key member of the project. We set ourselves a very challenging goal: to create work so convincing in style that it would feel as if the artist had returned to life to draw them. Many elements are involved in making a manga, from frame design to dialogue to the graphics themselves. A human artist like Tezuka can combine all these elements to tell the story, but AI isn't currently capable of the entire process. Professor Kurihara used over 200 of Tezuka's works to train the AI to recognize his unique style of storytelling and character development. The AI produced a plot outline that could have been by Tezuka himself. Based on this, human writers developed the story. The hardest part was creating the characters. Tezuka had a unique visual style, employing strikingly distorted facial features and expressions. Human readers easily recognized that these are faces, but the AI saw only lines and dots, and its efforts to create people in the same style were a failure. The team decided to expand the AI's facial recognition capabilities, training it with photos of faces to understand that manga-style faces represented humans. Tezuka widely observed human faces before drawing his characters. We hoped that imitating this process would produce characters that resembled his. Their idea worked perfectly. The resulting characters could have come straight from Tezuka's own pen. Completing the work required only some fleshing out of details by human artists. Set in the near future, the story explores the issues we will need to face as technology continues to advance in power. The same theme ran through all Tezuka's work. At a time when humanity is debating how to coexist with artificial intelligence, this work by an AI emulating Tezuka's thinking carries an important message for the world.